Eric with Deutsche Auto Garage here. Today we're going to work on our Audi S4. We're going to just change the air filter out real quick. And the reason we're doing that is because this whole assembly is being changed. And so I want to go ahead and just get the filter changed. And it gives me a chance to show you how to do it. So for today, you're going to need a 7mm. You're also going to need a T25 Torx to be able to get the screws out. And that's really it. You also need the E1452L filter. I recommend FCP Euro because they have the lifetime recycling or up whatever you want to call it thing. So let's get started. All right, so personally, I'm just gonna go ahead and back all these bad boys out. And they're good. All right. And now do you understand why we're using an electric ratchet? Pretty simple on that. Pop it up. We should see, wow, a lot of leaves and such. So now I'm going to go ahead and take off that 7mm just to be able to remove the whole enclosure off the top. So you're just going to break that hose clamp loose, kind of back it up over that like that, put that down. All right, for the big reveal. Oh, you can hear it. You can hear it. It sounds disgusting. Yeah, guys, I'd say it was about time for it to be replaced. Where did all of this come from? Oh my. All right, well, let me get the vacuum real quick and I'm gonna vacuum this out and then we're gonna change this out. So funny story about this. I let my editor borrow my shop vac last night, so we're gonna use the Dyson. This is not recommended. For obvious reasons. It's just everywhere up in there. A bit of simple green, clean up the inside of the box. Is this gonna add more horsepower? No. Is it best practice to keep your stuff clean? Yes. Just do it. Takes a couple of minutes extra while you're in there. No big deal. Alright, we got it cleaned out a little bit more. We've removed our foam right there. So now I'm gonna put all this back in. And I'm gonna do one final vacuum and then we'll get to the filter. Normally I would do this near the car, but this thing's pretty dirty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one out right here. Just to see the exact same, make sure it's the same. It is indeed the same. Slightly different casting marks on the top. Oh, I guess this clips off. Yep. And then this pops off. All right. So compared to our factory one here, oops. This one obviously has the same sleeve and everything, and this is a genuine filter. So if we look at the instructions here, it actually says, pull the old one off, you put the new ones on, you align the tabs, and then it will lock into place. So quite literally, you see these three screw it into place and it locks. That's it. So now it's time to go back to the car. So now we're just going to take our stuff that we've cleaned all up, put that back down, now slot her back into place here, make sure our foam's out of the way, gonna realign it all there, and now we do the old snuggle-bug. So I'm going to do, first of all, make sure you got the right Torx socket on. Personally, I go in a cross format. Why? Because same torque. And you never know when you want to be safe on this. So I just do a cross pattern. It doesn't really take a ton of torque on these. The idea is just make sure they're snug. That one's just spinning because somebody's over torqued it at some point. That one's good. That one's good. And that one's good. All right. So we're gonna take our T25 off now, put our 7mm back on there. Slide your coupler back on. Then make sure that's on there like that. Put your clamp back on. Like so. So as you go to tighten, you'll see that that starts to get close to that arrow. But anyway, that's it. You're done. That's all she wrote. This is all rubber gasket in there, so you really don't have to mess with that. This itself is just screwed down, which these all are screwed down now. Start your car. Good to go. Eric with Deutsche Auto Garage. I hope this helps you change your air filter and save a few dollars. You know, just it's simple. You needed 2 tools, really a ratchet, you know, T25 7mm, small extension if you really want to get crazy with these 2. I broke out my big long extension, and a vacuum. So other than that, you just need the new filter and you're good to go. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I will see you guys on the next one. We are going to do the cabin filter next. See ya.